Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we are going to explore extra wide baby gates or pet gates and dog gates, cat gates, whatever you want to call them. Now in my case, I have two sets of stairs I need to block. One of them's a 42 inch, but I also have a second set of stairs that are 46 inches wide, and none of the standard baby gate, dog gate, pet gate things will fit that. I also didn't want one of those ugly plastic things in my house. I wanted something a little prettier like this. There are a couple of quirks with this that you might not have thought of. So let's go over this very quickly and then we'll get to an extremely fast demonstration of how to assemble it, which has a few surprises. So what we ended up with was this one for $55 Canadian, so 38 US, something like that. And it supports 29 to 49 inch in width, and they're 30 inches high. But look, they also have smaller ones, same price, give or take, right up until you get to the large one. This one that goes to 56. That one's a little more expensive. Okay, let's go set it up. Okay, a couple of very quick things before we get started. You'll notice we opened everything up with a steak knife. We did that on purpose. Yes, we have the correct tools. We're trying to do what you would do. So in trying to prove the point, you don't need actual tools for this. Second thing to note is that there are warnings all over the place, from decals on the unit right here to this card to everywhere in the instructions, that there's a gap at the top of your gate where the latch closes, and that's not a defect. That's there on purpose, so don't return it. All right, next thing to note is these little caps, they're supposed to go into your wall. We're not doing that. So that gets rid of these caps and these screws. If you want to put them into your wall, go right ahead. It's pretty straightforward. You can use the Allen key. We're just going to do this faster with the drill. One gate, and the way you tighten it up is to just widen it. Let's go do it. So we'll put this into place, but just loosely, and you can see that we have different sizes of dimension here. We've got this baseboard here, and we've got a gap up here. How are we going to make this work? It's not a problem. Just turn this. Watch that gap. As we twist and we turn, that gap gets smaller and smaller. There we go. And now it's good. Okay, now to open it, pretty straightforward, but there's also a little gate at the bottom, a little catch at the bottom that you can twist to really lock it down if you want to. If you have a more aggressive dog or baby, there we go. Now that's not going to go anywhere. Now, if you have a particularly aggressive dog or baby, that isn't going to stop them. You know, this is just friction fit into the wall. A couple other things to note before we wrap it up. Extra parts. So this kit comes in a range of sizes, as we've said, so you can take extra parts from various units and put them together if you want to make different sizes. Also, you can take these stickers off now, because these stickers are just saying the gap between the door and the latch is not a defect. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks, bye-bye.